Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have my 2014 Land Rover Freelander 2 and I'm going to be showing you how to operate the child locking system on the rear doors. So to do this, all we're going to use is our standard key or a flat object like a screwdriver and have the car unlocked and go ahead and open up one of the rear doors fully. Now this is repeated on both sides and it looks the same on both sides. So taking a closer look at the lock, we obviously have the lock's latching mechanism there, some fixing screws that are holding it in position, and then up on the plastic there's actually some diagrams. So we've got a slot pointing at about 11 o'clock and that has a padlock unlocked with a stick child in, and then we've got one at about 2 o'clock and a padlock locked with a stick child in. So obviously you have the slot in that position to have it locked and that position to have it open. And that slot is actually located deep in this hole here. And this is what we're going to use our standard key for. So go ahead and actually remove the chrome section of the key, which is a bit hard to do one-handed. And then inside there you actually have this portion of the key, so go ahead and slide that out as well. Once you have that out, all we're going to do is stick that in to the slot and turn it to the desired position. So that's actually at 11 o'clock, so that's telling me that the child lock is off. And then I turn it so that the bottom comes around to about 2 o'clock and then that child lock is actually on. So when that's on, the interior door handle will no longer operate the door, but the exterior door handle will still work. And to return that to normal, just go ahead, put that back in and then turn it back to that 11 o'clock position, and that has now re-engaged the interior handle. So that's how easy it is to operate the child locking system on a Land Rover Freelander 2. This is a 2014 model, but it'll be the same on most years. And there we go. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.